Welcome to another vlog. So today is going to be a cozy reading day because I'm attempting to do a little readathon. So I picked out three books that I want to read today. We have Under a Summer Sky by Sue Moorcroft, and then we have The Guilty Party by Mel McGrath. And then the third book is The Summer Wedding by Sarah Morgan. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'll finish all three since I might have to do a few things later today, but that's a challenge. If I somehow manage to finish all three books, I might have to squeeze in another book. So it's currently 9:36 in the morning. So let's stop talking and start reading. If you are a reader, maski unsa na lang jud ang bookmark. I'm on page 30. Oh my gosh. Hey guys. So, gistop na ako ang timer. Morning time sa akong pagbasa. And na ako sa page 128. So, I'm going to get some snacks and coffee. Be right back. Okay guys, so I have four biscuits here. Cream O, Combi, Presto, and Oreo. And this is the coffee that I made.
Dami nang nagdaan at pumaligid sa atin sa'yo pa.
Nag-stop sa akong basa kay amo sang gupitan ang batuta. No, bibi, careful bi. Hindi ma straight mo hang kuan ron. Bangs. Ay, wait Pearl, wait. Wait. Yung no. Okay, so first book done. I just finished Under a Summer Sky. It was cute and cozy. Pero, wala ko nag-expect. I don't know why wala ko nag-expect na slight na spice. Like, I genuinely thought that this was gonna be wholesome vibes. And this is also part of a trilogy. This is the first book. And at the end of the book, naay nakabutang dito na other titles, which is the book 2 and book 3 nag-release atong October 2024 and May 2025. As for now, I'm going to take a big bathroom break and maybe stretch a little kay kanina pa ko sa lingkod o ginatawag na po ko ni mama para mag-eat og lunch pero busog pa kayo ko so maybe later. Maybe mobalhin ko Presto para ma-refresh po ko. So yeah. And ako ang reading time kay kanina. So hey guys, I'm going to start the second book which is The Guilty Party. Actually, naka-start na ko basa ani pero wala na ko gi padayon. I mean last week guro na ko nilibasa. So I'm currently on page 78. I'm going to continue reading it now. See you later.
Magmahal, sino ba naman ang di mahuhumali sa ganda mo at gaan sa loob.
Okay, hey guys, so I just finished my second book, The Guilty Party, and abot na-confused jud ko. Siguro, there were so many point of views and timelines, that is why murag makalibog siya and hard to process, especially that sabay-sabay pod ang revelations at the end. Makaingon na lang dito, wait lang, asa naman taan ni? Asa naman sad ni? Ingana good. So, pero I think that's the point though. The author really wants you to question everyone and piece everything together by yourself. And, wala, mo to, makalibog lang siya. Murag ang author kay mas nag-spend siya time mostly sa tunga-tunga gani sa book, like ang suspense iyang gi-build pero ang ending kay iyang gi-rush. Anyway, 2 books down and I think I'm gonna grab some water first and maybe rest my eyes for a bit kay murag kuan and mag-stretching na pod. I was actually planning to start my third book right now pero I remembered na naaman day ko'y lakawon pa so inigbalik na lang ko magpasa. So inigbalik na lang ko magpasa balik.
What?
Inigbalik na lang ko magpasa og padayon. See you guys later. And ako ang reading time is mag-charge ako sa mga devices na akong gipanggamit kay lowbat na sila tanan. Be right back. Hi everyone! So I just got home. I'm going to eat dinner first and then take a shower. It's currently 6:59 p.m. 1 minute left para mag-7. So I'll be right back. Hey guys! So human ako ligo and gikan mi nag-grocery. Human ako kog dinner. It's currently 8:09 p.m. Mag-start na ako sa third book.
Apuhap naman para sa akin, bawat sa atin ang di magkasama.
Hey guys, so I officially finished this book. Actually really enjoyed this one, and out of 3 books, I think this one is my favorite. And honestly, this book really made me feel like I was watching a movie. Grabe ang drama, ang emotional scenes, ang conversations, mga kanang ma-imagine dyan ako siya taman-taman sa akong utok. And also, this book is dili lang siya tanan romance. It's really about friendship, family, second chances, relationships, forgiveness, and communication. Makarealize pud ka na communication can literally change everything good. Every character in this book had something to learn, and by the end, kay nagka okay lang po sila. Currently 10:55 p.m. and I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for spending this little readathon with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Sino ba naman ang di mahuhumali sa ganda mo at gaan sa loob?